The MIJIA S91 drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering advanced features and powerful capabilities for aerial photography and smooth flight control. With its sleek design and robust technology, this drone is perfect for capturing stunning visuals and ensuring stable flights even in challenging conditions. Key features: 5G Wi-Fi FPV with 8K HD dual cameras. Equipped with a high-definition dual camera system, the MIJIA S91 captures breathtaking 8K photos and videos. The front camera lens is manually adjustable by 90 degrees, allowing you to get the perfect shot from various angles. Laser Obstacle Avoidance. This drone features advanced laser obstacle avoidance technology, which helps to prevent collisions during flight, ensuring safer and more reliable operation. Brushless motor with optical flow positioning. The powerful brushless motors provide smooth and quiet operation, while the optical flow positioning ensures precise and stable hovering, making it easier to control during flight. GPS return-to-home function. The built-in GPS system enables accurate positioning and automatic return-to-home functionality. This ensures that the drone returns safely to its takeoff point if the battery is low or the signal is lost. Long flight time and extended range. Powered by a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, the MIJIA S91 offers up to 25 minutes of flight time. With a remote control distance of up to 5,000 meters, you can explore vast areas and capture incredible footage from afar. Compact and portable design. The drone features foldable arms and fan blades, making it compact and easy to carry when folded, 14 by 9 by 6 centimeters. When fully extended, it measures 30 by 27 by 6 centimeters, providing stability during flight. 6-axis gyroscope for stability. With 6-channel gyroscope technology, the drone is highly stable and easy to operate. It supports various flight maneuvers, including rise, fall, forward, backward, turn left, right, and left-right flying. Smart flight functions. The MIJIA S91 includes a range of intelligent flight modes, such as track flight, one-click surround, intelligent follow, and speed gear switching. It also features headless mode, LED night flight lights, and the ability to add music to your recordings. Wi-Fi system for real-time transmission. Connect to the drone's 5G Wi-Fi system to take pictures, record videos, and enjoy real-time transmission of your aerial footage directly to your smartphone. The MIJIA S91 drone is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a feature-packed, portable, and powerful drone for capturing stunning aerial photography and videos. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this drone will elevate your flying experience.